Hello, everyone. For those that may not have Microsoft Office installed on their computer, which is obviously what you need if you want to use Excel, there is a workaround. Now that everyone has, or most people have, Google Chrome as their browser, we can install an extension which gives us the same functionality as Microsoft Office. And the way to get to it is if you type in Chrome Office in the search field or your address bar of Google Chrome, it should take you to a page which takes you right to the extension. The other way to get to it is if you are in the Chrome Web Store, you can do a search. If you search for Office, you'll be able to find it there as well. Make sure it's the one that is by Microsoft. There may be others with similar names. Make sure it's the Microsoft Corporation that is the proprietors, is the one that makes this particular software. And the logo should be the same as the Microsoft version. So all we need to do, you can read it if you'd like, but basically, in summary, this allows you to use Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and a few other things that you would normally have to install as a separate program. You can use them right inside this web browser. So there's no opening Microsoft Excel. It's all done right from within your Google Chrome web browser. That's one kind of advantage. And so all we need to do is click on Add to Chrome. And it's going to ask me if I want to do that. And I say yes, add extension. And once it's finished, I should have a little icon up the top here. It does give me a bit of a warning here, and I can change the settings if I want. Obviously, you can click yes, and it gives you a bit of a tutorial. The first time you do it, it kind of gives you tips and tricks, and it shows you how to do this. I'm not going to go into that in this video. That was really all I wanted to say. But if anyone was having trouble getting into Excel, if they didn't have it installed on their computer, or if their subscriptions weren't being renewed or whatever, you can do this. It is free. The Google Chrome browser is free, and this extension is also free. So this gives you access to Microsoft Excel, once again, right from within Google Chrome, and you don't have to pay anything for it. It is free. So hope this helps, and if you have any questions, let me know. Keep up the good work, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.